Hey there, fellow adventurers and off-road enthusiasts. Ever found yourself out on the trail, feeling that familiar rumble of your Polaris Sportsman 500, only to notice something's just not quite right with the power delivery? That telltale sign of a slipping clutch can really put a damper on your ride, can't it? Today, we are diving deep into the world of the Polaris Sportsman 500 and tackling a common, yet crucial, issue: a bad clutch replacement. It's a situation many of us have faced. You're powering up a steep incline, or trying to get a quick burst of speed to navigate a tricky section. And instead of that satisfying surge of power, you get a whole lot of engine revving and not enough forward momentum. That's your clutch telling you it's time for some attention. While it might sound daunting, understanding what's happening and how to address it can save you a lot of frustration and keep your trusty Sportsman running strong for many more adventures. A clutch on your Sportsman 500 is essentially the bridge between your engine's power and your wheels. When it's in good condition, it engages smoothly, transferring that power efficiently. However, over time, wear and tear are inevitable. Components like the clutch weights, springs, and even the primary and secondary clutch sheaves can degrade. This degradation leads to slippage, where the clutch can't fully grip and transfer all the engine's torque. You might notice a loss of acceleration, a higher than usual engine RPM for a given speed, or even a burning smell if the slippage is severe. Replacing a bad clutch isn't just about restoring lost performance. It's about ensuring the longevity of your entire drivetrain. A slipping clutch can put excessive strain on other components, potentially leading to more costly repairs down the line. Think of it as preventative maintenance that also brings back that exhilarating feeling of full power at your fingertips. The good news is that with the right approach and a bit of patience, a clutch replacement on your Polaris Sportsman 500 is a manageable task. It involves carefully disassembling the clutch housing, identifying the worn-out parts, and installing new, quality components. There are fantastic resources available, from detailed service manuals to helpful online guides and videos that can walk you through each step. Taking your time, ensuring you have the correct tools, and following the manufacturer specifications are key to a successful repair. When you're choosing replacement parts, opting for reputable brands or OEM, original equipment manufacturer, parts is always a wise decision. This ensures compatibility and the quality you expect for reliable performance. A well-executed clutch replacement will bring back that crisp engagement, smooth acceleration, and the confidence you need to tackle any terrain your Sportsman 500 can handle. It's incredibly rewarding to bring your machine back to its peak performance, knowing you've addressed a critical component and are ready for whatever the trail throws your way. We are so glad you joined us for this deep dive into clutch care for your Polaris Sportsman 500. If you found this information helpful, please consider giving us a follow or subscribing for more tips and insights to keep your adventures rolling.